Have you ever looked at your bank statement and felt that familiar pang of dread? The one where you see money slipping away, but you can't quite pinpoint where it's all going? Maybe it's those forgotten subscriptions, those sneaky fees, or just a general lack of awareness about your spending habits. Well, if that sounds like you, then stick around, because today I'm going to share how I wrestled back control of my finances and, in the process, saved a cool $500 using an app called Rocket Money. For years, I considered myself reasonably good with money. I paid my bills on time, rarely splurged on big-ticket items, and thought I had a decent handle on my budget. But then, something shifted. Life got busier, responsibilities piled up, and my financial picture started to get, well, fuzzy. I'd glance at my bank balance and it always seemed lower than I expected, despite my efforts to be mindful. I knew I wasn't making huge, extravagant purchases, but the small, consistent drains were adding up. It was like death by 1,000 paper cuts. I tried the old-school methods, spreadsheets, scribbling expenses in a notebook. But let's be real, in today's fast-paced world, who has the time to manually track every single transaction? I'd start strong for a few days, then inevitably fall behind, and the whole system would collapse. The problem wasn't a lack of desire to save, it was a lack of a practical, sustainable method that fit into my already packed schedule. That's when I started hearing whispers about budgeting apps. Friends were talking about them, online forums were raving, and a few YouTube creators I followed mentioned how these apps had transformed their financial lives. I was skeptical, I'll admit. Another app? Another subscription to manage? But the promise of automated tracking and identifying hidden expenses was too tempting to ignore. After a bit of research, I landed on Rocket Money. What initially drew me in were its core features, the ability to identify and cancel subscriptions, negotiate bills, and provide clear spending insights. These were exactly the pain points I was experiencing. I figured, worst case, I try it for a month, it doesn't work, and I'm back to square one. Best case? I actually start saving some money. And let me tell you, it was definitely the best case. The first step was incredibly simple, linking my bank accounts and credit cards. This took literally minutes. As soon as I did, Rocket Money began its magic. It started pulling in my transaction history, categorizing everything, and, most importantly, highlighting my recurring charges. And this is where the real eye-opener happened. Within minutes, Rocket Money flagged subscriptions I had completely forgotten about. There was that free trial for a streaming service I'd signed up for months ago and never used, still happily charging me $9.99 a month. Then there was the fitness app I'd used religiously for a few weeks before life got in the way, still deducting $15 every month. And the online magazine subscription I'd forgotten to cancel after the introductory offer ended, adding another $5 to my monthly outflow. Individually, these amounts seemed small, almost negligible. But seeing them all laid out, totaling nearly $30 a month, was a gut punch. That's $360 a year just disappearing into thin air. Rocket Money made canceling these subscriptions incredibly easy. With a few taps in the app, I could initiate the cancellation process. For some, it even handled the cancellation directly, saving me the hassle of navigating customer service menus or hunting for cancellation links. It was liberating to prune that financial deadwood, and almost instantly, I felt a sense of control returning. But the savings didn't stop there. One of Rocket Money's standout features is its bill negotiation service. Now, this was something I was genuinely curious about. I'd always heard about people calling their internet or cable providers to negotiate lower rates, but I honestly dreaded those conversations. The endless hold times, the pushy sales tactics, the need to justify why my bill should be lower, it all sounded like a nightmare. So, when Rocket Money offered to do it for me, I was intrigued. I decided to try it with my internet bill. I was paying around $70 a month, and while it wasn't exorbitant, I wondered if there was room for improvement. I submitted a request through the app, giving Rocket Money permission to negotiate on my behalf. And then I waited. I honestly didn't expect much. Maybe a $5 discount, if I was lucky. A few days later, I received a notification from Rocket Money. They had successfully negotiated my internet bill down to $55 a month. That's a $15 monthly saving, or $180 annually. I was genuinely shocked. I hadn't lifted a finger, hadn't spent a second on hold, and yet, here was concrete proof of savings. Rocket Money takes a percentage of the first year's savings for this service, which is fair considering the time and effort they save you. Even after their fee, I was significantly better off. Beyond the immediate savings from subscriptions and bill negotiation, Rocket Money also provided invaluable insights into my overall spending. It automatically categorizes all your transactions, so you can easily see where your money is going each month. For me, this was another revelation. I discovered I was spending far more on dining out and impulse purchases than I had ever realized. It wasn't about deprivation, it was about awareness. Once I saw the numbers clearly, I could make conscious choices about where to cut back without feeling like I was sacrificing everything. For example, I noticed my coffee shop category was shockingly high. I love my morning latte, but seeing it add up to over $80 a month made me rethink things. I didn't eliminate it entirely, but I started making coffee at home a few times a week, instantly cutting that expense in half. Small adjustments, big impact. Rocket Money also offers a budgeting feature, allowing you to set spending limits for different categories. This was a game changer for me. Instead of vaguely trying to spend less, I had clear targets. The app would notify me if I was approaching my limit in a particular category, which acted as a gentle nudge to course correct. It turned budgeting from a chore into a manageable, almost gamified experience. Another incredibly useful feature was the ability to track my net worth. By linking all my accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, and even my investment accounts, Rocket Money provided a holistic view of my financial health. Seeing my net worth steadily increase, even by small increments, was incredibly motivating. It reinforced that my efforts were paying off and kept me focused on my long-term financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.